Mag-i-steam tayo ng 2 orange. So, we need to wash first. Mag-home care tayo, dahil si Dada is may ubo-ubo. Para iwas punta sa doktor at inom ng mga antibiotics o mga gamot para sa ating mga anak, toddler, o ating mga alaga. So, we need to cut it. Yes? After we steam, later, then Dada and No can...
Why orange?
Yeah.
Why?
We steam 2 orange for you and Dada.
Apa for you?
Okay. So,
Apa for you?
Dada,
Apa for you? Apa?
later. And then, put a little bit salt. A little bit only salt.
Why it's broken?
Huh?
Why it's broken?
It's broken?
Yeah.
Ate, need that. I cover the orange. Good.
What the good?
And good.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
And then, we cover it.
What is that?
Aluminum foil. We need to cover the orange so the juice not come out. The juice not come out. And then another one. Like that. Yay! And then, you see, we put it in. Ta-da! This is steamed orange home care for Dada. We cover it. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? You steam orange for Dada?
Yeah.
Why? Why we need to steam orange? Oh, Dada have steam orange is good. Oh, how many orange we steam?
2.
Oh, 2. One for and hi. Very good. See. Later when the time is finished, the steam orange is done. Okay. Drink the juice.